Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to color in Animate. Place your line art on its own layer and lock it, then create a new layer beneath for your base colors. Use the Fill tool for solid areas and make sure Snap to Objects is enabled when needed. Keep color layers organized by naming them and grouping similar elements, so you can edit shading and highlights without disturbing lines or other parts. Start with the Paint Bucket tool to block in base colors, tapping anywhere inside a closed region to fill it quickly. For softer shading, switch to the Brush tool with lower opacity and build up layers gradually. Use the eyedropper to sample colors from your palette and lock transparency on shading layers to paint within existing shapes without leaving edges. This workflow keeps your colors clean and editable. Block in midtones on the base layer, then add a new layer for shadows and set it to multiply for natural depth. Paint primary shadows with a solid brush, then switch to a soft, low-opacity brush to feather edges and blend. For highlights, use an add or screen layer with lighter tones and small brush strokes to suggest shine. Keep shadow and highlight layers grouped and labeled for easy adjustments later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.